have you heard the term Tandava before? This is Shiva's dance, okay? This is what we're gonna break down today. So first thing first, we need to know who Nataraja was. Nataraja. Nataraja is the god of dance, okay? So Shiva will have many names, Mahadev, Nataraja, okay? All these names that we give to Shiva that represents different qualities, right? So the different names will have different qualities. In the Bhagavad Gita also, Krishna is called by different names that embody different qualities. So Nataraja is Shiva's form when he turns into the god of dance, right? So the god of dance performs the Tandava, okay? Tandava, that's the Shiva's dance of, it's mostly known for Shiva's dance of destruction, but there are two dances, two Tandavas. There's the Rudra Tandava and the Ananda Tandava. The Rudra Tandava, Rudra means fierce, right? So the fierce dance of destruction, that's the first Tandava. But the second one, the lesser known one, is Ananda Tandava, which is the bliss, the dance of joy, the divine dance, right? So there are two kinds of Tandavas, right? So now we're going to break down the representation. What does that mean when Shiva is dancing, right? The first thing you will see that Shiva's foot is crushing Apasmara. Apasmara was a dwarf who represented ego, ignorance, and like greed, okay? And lack of knowledge, right? So by crushing Apasmara, he's showing us that we need to crush ego, fear, ignorance, greed in our own life, right? And so let's go to number 2. Number 2 is the Abhaya Mudra, okay? So that mudra, it represents, let's say, protection. It represents divine grace, right? So when Shiva is doing that mudra, that's what it represents, right? Number 3 is Damaru, okay? This is the drum, the cosmic drum that represents the cosmic sound of the universe, right? Om. And number 4 is Prabha Mandala, okay? Mandala. Prabha Mandala is this ring of fire around Shiva, right? Which represents time, which represents cycle, which represents the universe, the cosmic time, right? And the last one is Shiva's foot is lifted, right? Shiva's foot lifting means liberation, represent moksha, liberation, right? So this is the description of the Tandava dance, right? But what does it really mean in our own life? In our own life, what this represents is that setbacks will arise, right? Difficulties will arise. And what we have to do is crush that through the dance, through the divine dance of life. We have to overcome ego, ignorance, fear, greed, and transform, right? Transform into something bigger. Transform into something that is divine. Transcend our animal instincts. Transcend our low vibration instinct of fear, ignorance, greed, and arise into divine qualities, right? I hope this video made you a little more aware as a Hindu. Namaste. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.